Craving a dessert but short on time? Today, we're whipping up flavorful kheer in an Instant Pot. Quick, easy, and fuss-free. Let's jump right in. Pour 2 liters of milk into the Instant Pot's inner pot. Set the Instant Pot to sauté mode on high or custom level 6. Stir in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Add 250 grams of soaked basmati rice. Gently mix everything together. Secure the pressure cooking lid on the Instant Pot. Cancel sauté mode and set it to pressure cook on high for 20 minutes. Allow a natural release for 20 minutes. Then carefully release any remaining pressure. Be cautious. If milk overflows from the release valve, stop the release, wait 10 to 15 seconds, and try again. Repeat as needed. To avoid overflow, you can extend the natural release time. Once the floating valve drops, remove the pressure cooking lid carefully. Stir the mixture thoroughly. Add 300 grams of sugar, adjusting to taste. Personally, I prefer it a bit sweeter. Blend the mixture for a smooth, consistent texture. Mix it well. Sprinkle in raisins or your favorite dry fruits. Give it one final mix. And just like that, your Instant Pot Kheer is ready to serve. And there you have it. A quick and easy Instant Pot Kheer that's perfect for any occasion. Watch our other videos, and as always, have a wonderful day.